The sun will come out tomorrow. And the sun is out. I came to do a little getting out of the house. What? I had to get out of the house for a while. Need to pick up some things for the house, get some waters and some what have you, and I don't know, maybe I'll go to a movie or something. I need to get something, like going from sitting in one spot is too much, so I want to go sit in another spot for 2 hours. The logic isn't there. Alright, well, I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but I'm gonna take you guys along with me along the way. It might not be anything. I don't know. Okay. Alright. Back to the boring life. I'm here at my buddy Alex's apartment. We're gonna go out and take a little adventure today. But I think I don't remember if this is the right apartment or not. We'll see.
I knew you were going to do that.
I couldn't remember what apartment number it was or anything, and I was like, oh man. What's going on, brother?
Nothing, just fucking roller coaster riding.
How you feeling? Did you take a shower?
Yeah, took a shower, feeling like a little better, but it looks like my body's getting adjusted to it, you know?
Eek.
So, yeah, it's just, one of those things, man.
Your apartment smells good.
Really?
Yeah.
Didn't it smell like firewood?
No. I'm just used to everything smelling like dogs. That it's anything besides dog smell smells good. Well, this might look a little familiar. I'm at the same location where I brought my mom to get her eyes checked. I'm dropping off, or I'm with my friend Alex to get his checkup. He wasn't feeling well, so I'm driving him over here, and I dropped him off out front. Now I'm gonna walk over there and hang out for a minute. But right downtown by the library, one more time. Let's go. Hey! Finish that sentence.
It's way looser than what it was 10 years ago. I'm talking about the calibration on a part.
Yeah. And
So, yeah.
such a good part to be wore out.
Oh, yeah. You know,
So we're on our way to the second clinic, and then to get some food.
Look, I don't mean to be such a baby about this. I have vertigo. I just need some meds.
It's not fun having vertigo. It feels like you're falling off the face of the earth.
Max is, making me laugh all day, and just his presence, his positive energy is making me feel a lot better, but I still have a little bit of the dizzies. I just need some meclizine.
I told him, eat an onion. But he said, no.
I said meclizine, not Mexiclean.
Mexican.
So I just need to go get a prescription and check my ears if there's any silverfish in my tunnel.
Hey.
Ear canals. Did I just say my tunnel?
I don't know what you meant. What's that?
Okay.
Autoerotica. All right, so we'll go get drugs and then we'll get back to you.
America may cause serious allergic reactions or suicidal thoughts or actions. Tell your doctor right away if you have these: new or worsening depression, or unusual changes in mood or behavior, or swelling, trouble breathing, rash, hives, blisters, muscle pain with fever, bad feeling, or blurry vision. Common side effects are dizziness, sleepiness, weight gain, and swelling of hands, legs, and feet. Don't drink alcohol while taking their...
We're gonna eat at Freebirds.
Max has never been to freaking Freebirds.
Never once.
Never been to Freebirds.
I've never even been to Chew. What's the other one?
Freebirds has been around for like 8 years.
And what's the other one? It's similar. It's Chewy's or something like that.
Chipotle.
Never been there.
That's
either.
my McDonald's. McDonald's owns. I don't go there.
Yeah, I never been there either.
This is all Austin based. Look at that. Freebirds, man. He's never been to Freebirds, and I can't believe this guy. Look at this guy. Look at his tats. He's never been to Freebirds. Oh, come on, man. And Max, do you like burritos?
Love them.
And you never been to Freebirds?
Never once.
Oh.
Man, it's on. Let's go inside. And Mark's meeting us here too. God dang, man, I'm in. Where was it?
It started off in Austin. The first one, one of the first ones they opened up here was right across the street from BT's, man.
I've seen it, but I've never been.
Come on, man.
I'm digging that motorcycle up there. With Lady Liberty on it. Look at that. Reminds me of work right there.
Oh my God, yeah. So we just got back from eating some awesome Freebird burritos at Freebirds. And Max, how did you like it?
It was awesome. All you gotta do, it's like Subway, but with burritos. I didn't know that. I didn't know that. And it was good.
So good. It was so good,
But
man.
I think I made the boringest burrito. Beans, cheese. Oh, no, I'm sorry. Rice and beans, cheese, guacamole, beef. That was it. And sour cream. Taco Bell is better than the burrito.
That was what you call an 11-layer burrito.
Oh, man.
Well, that was awesome. We're gonna go to Mark's house.
We're gonna. Mark hadn't been on the vlog yet, so
we're gonna be throwing some pedos.
Mark has a band named after me.
What's it called? Oh,
The Me.
man, you better funk your horn, dude.
Fool at him.
You're gonna love these videos, man.
Ah, my hip. Ah, Jesus. I'm already recording and I already pinched my hip off. Look at Mark got some damage.
Oh man.
Look how tall Alex is. He's taller than everything.
Got fucked up.
Man, look at that.
Laters.
I got 2 little spots on mine, 3 little
Oh, no,
spots,
dude.
but still,
Just
it
look on
sucks.
the whole roof, everything.
I know, man.
I got
My neighbors, they look like ex-wives went at it with their freaking baseball bats.
Hail damage too?
Look at that back, dude.
Even the bumper too?
What about the Hummer? Didn't get none? What about your house? Is your house all right?
It's a CD?
It's got one.
Got me? Oh, cool. Okay.
Look, dude.
Oh my
There's an
God.
actual big bowl of that in there.
Wow. Right here.
All right, we're getting ready to watch this big show, Eye to Eye, live, featuring these 2
Funny.
colors.
Huh?
Is it over there on the thing?
I don't see it right here. Is this light?
Man, look at these guys.
Who the fuck is that in the one? What the fuck is all this shit? Mike's whole videos and stuff.
You got some falsies on there, falsy.
What the fuck?
That's Lauren.
It is.
Was that Stephanie Sweets? No.
Man, Mark, you used to sing good. Look at Alex.
I used to drum good.
You used to be drum good. So I just got all Mark's ideas in my brain, and I'm gonna steal his idea to open this place up. Sweet. Not really. I don't think I could actually ever pull something off that cool. But it's gonna be good. Mark, whoa! Almost busted my hip. Tell him. We're talking to YouTube.
YouTube.
Y'all saw him a moment ago singing in that dark room that he had me trapped in with Stinky. Gotta go.
Oh my God.
I just wanna lose your love tonight. I don't wanna lose. I don't wanna lose. Your love. You know it sucks, so I can't even use this because it's copyright infringement.
Oh, that's right. Not if we're singing it.
I just realized that I hadn't done a sign off. I got back, dropped Alex off, or he dropped me off back at my truck, back at his apartment, and didn't think about doing it, which would have been a perfect ending to the vlog. Was I jumped on his drum kit and tried to learn to keep a beat, man, I can't play the drums. I have no rhythm. I am the rhythmless nation. But anyway, I'm signing off for tonight, guys. I may go back over to Alex's tomorrow if he's feeling better and do a little drum kit lesson. We'll see. Thanks for watching today. Had a wonderful time. Thanks to Mark Macari and Freebirds. It was delicious. Have a good night, everybody.